I made 10 million naira in 1 month with a skill I learned in 30 minutes. And in this video, I'm going to tell you the skill as well as teach you the skill so you go and start making money for yourself with it. I'm Solomon Chooks. Let's go there. What's up, guys? My name is Solomon Chooks from Solo Communication. I'm a social media manager, content creator, and a digital marketer. In this channel, we teach you different ways you can make money online, including affiliate marketing, content creation, and the rest of them. We'll go as far as testing out platforms that promises to pay you. If the work, will bring it down here for you to try them out and make some money for yourself. In this video, I'm going to be telling you the only skill I learned in 30 minutes that is making me a whole lot of money every blessed day. That even in a month, I can accumulate as much as 10 million naira. So without any further ado, let's get down to business. Now, if you know how to run any form of ads, any form of advert at all, you should be counting in millions. I am telling you out of experience. Now, this is why. Number one, a lot of brands are looking for people to run ads for them. And they are ready to pay you, maybe hire you to be paying you 100,000, 200,000, 500,000. Some of them would hire you to even work for them and you receive salary monthly while you work from home or the comfort of anywhere you are. All right. Number two, some business owners, small business owners, and the rest of them are looking for you to actually work for them, and they are willing to pay you as much as you can charge them. And lastly, you can as well use it to make money for yourself anytime you want. And this is where I want to talk about. All right. Now, using it to make money for yourself anytime, any moment, anyhow you want to make money with it. Now, somebody would say, how? Now, this is how you're going to make money with it. Now, like I always say in this channel, that for you to make money, you need either a product or a service for you to make money, and then how to sell them. All right. Now, you don't have a product, but you have a service. Now, you don't just only have a service that helps sell any product at all. You see where I'm going to now. You see, I'm sure you can understand where I'm driving at now. I repeat, you have a service. You don't just have a service, you have a service that can sell anything. So what is missing now is the product. Now, how do we get this product to sell so we can be making a whole lot of money every month? Now, first of all, I'm going to tell you the product I have actually sold with Facebook ads. All right. In short, the one I sold last month that made me a whole lot of money. Now, this is the product I sold last month that made me up to 10 million naira. All right. Car phone stand. This car phone stand is not even my own. So how did I do it? I went into the market and looked for an importer that sells gadgets like phone accessories and the rest of them. So while searching for a unique phone accessory I would sell, because I was broke, I was planning for my grandmother's burial and I didn't have enough money on me. So I was looking for how to make quick money, like fast money. So I started looking for a phone accessories that looked unique, maybe a power bank that can actually charge phone wirelessly and the rest of them. Intentionally, I knew the product or the kind of product I was looking for. So while searching for this product, I saw this beautiful car phone holder. So I was like, how is this going to be? Can people want this? And then I asked the importer, I told him, do people ask for this? He said, it sells a lot to that all these Yahoo boys, then they buy and well. Most of them wants to beautify their car and make it look unique and the rest of them. So I said, wow, there we go. And then I asked him how much the wholesale price. He said the price is 4,200 naira. Now, 4,200 naira wholesale price. You know, be there the story ends. Now, this is the most interesting part. I told him I don't have money to buy the product, but we are going to do a business. I'm going to be doing what we call drop shipping with you. He said, how? I said, now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a sample of this product, make a picture of them, a video of them. In short, I will buy it, make a picture and video of them. I'm going to go and start looking for customers. It doesn't concern you how I'm going to get the customers. Now, what I'll be doing is any customers that wants to buy, I will send you the address of the customer and the customer's payment. Then you deliver to the customer. I hope you do delivery. He said, yes. I said, Otilo. He said, it's okay. It's okay. I now told him, okay, this is what I'm going to do. Now, instead of that 4,200 naira, I'll be giving you 4,500 naira. Now, what you're going to do is to help me receive the money, then send me my own. Anything we do on top is my own. Is that cool? He said it's perfect. And then I went, set up my ads the way it should go, and then set up the targeting. All right. Now I targeted locations that are close to me, that is not too far. All right, I didn't want to target just my state. All right, so I had to target states around, cities that are close by, that I know they can ship to. Though he said they can ship to anywhere, but I didn't want anything that would delay. You see, the most amazing thing about running ads is that you have the chance to actually target the kind of people you want to actually buy your product. I don't know if you understand. Now you can't be selling land and then Aboki will be seeing the advert. It doesn't make sense. He's not going to be ever be interested in it. All right, you can't be selling party wears and the pastor is the one seeing the advert. You see where paid advert is amazing. You see where it's amazing. So you have the opportunity to target the exact people you want to show the product to, and this is why you must make money with it if you are serious about your life. All right, so now I took this product, made some videos, made some photo shots, and then set up my ads, and I set up all the targeting and started running ads. Guess how much I was selling it? I ran the ads that I'm selling it at 11,000 naira. 11,000 naira. So 11,000 naira, I went to seller.com and created a free sales page where I did a complete description of the product. All right. All right, let me briefly explain how to set up your sales page on Seller. Now, sales page describes the product and tries to convince the lead or the viewer or whoever comes to the page to know about the product to buy the product. It tells them that's the product description, just like you see it on Jumia. All right. I run the ads. The ads will now bring them to this landing page where they will have to read and know more about the product. So this is very, very simple to do. So all you need to do is to click on all products, like I have other products here. Then I click on add a product. Now when you click on add a product, look at physical products and look at digital products. All right, so you click on add physical product, then you click on next. All right, now very, very simple. If you want me to make a special video on how to set up this landing page, a professional way to set it up so that anybody that comes here must buy. All right, it's not just to tell you about the product, it helps you collect the payment, which I'm going to show you the transactions I've done here and how much I have here on this seller account. So it helps you collect the payment automatically without the person talking to you and so on. So let's set it up quickly. I'm going to be very brief here. So click on here. You have to click here to import the image of the product you're selling, the name of the product. So I named it Fancy Car Phone Stand, and the price I was selling 11,000. Now this is where you now put the description of the product. All right, so I'm going to write it. This is me trying to tell you the importance and then directly telling you why you should get the product, right? So it keeps you connected with your phone while you drive and beautifies your car. So I'm going to stop here. All right, so go to category, you select particular category, electronics and gadgets, quantity. If you enter the quantity you have available, and then look at automatically redirect buyers to an external URL. So this means you have an external place you want. If the person clicks to buy, makes payments, it will bring the person there to meet with you. So that is where I now added my WhatsApp link, right? So when you click on buy, it will bring you to the page where you make your payment, and then after the payment, it will bring you to my WhatsApp, and then you drop your location and information. Then I will take it and forward it to the Oga Pata who will now deliver to your location. Very simple. Now, if you want me to make a dedicated video on how to set this up, please let me know in the comment section. And if what I'm saying is making sense, please just come to the comment section and say, Solo, you are making sense. And I'll be very, very happy. That will be good. And share this video, I beg. That's the only way. Then if you have not subscribed to this channel, I don't know what you're waiting for. This is the only realistic channel where we tell you the actual ways to make money online. No be watch videos and get paid, then laugh and get paid, chat with lonely people and get. No, we tell you realistic skills that's going to help you make money. So please don't forget to let me know if you want me to make a dedicated video on how to set this up. So like I told you, I'm going to show you how much I have on this account and how it works. All right, this is my seller account where I do all my business transactions. All right, all my digital business transactions. All sales. Let's see all sales. So you can see in Naira, this is 1.5 million. This is dollars. In dollars, $423. This is in pounds. This is Ghana cedis. This is shillings and the rest of them. So you can see we are really doing something here. So that is how it works. Okay, a lot of money will be through this. You just need to find the right product Find the right product. Find the right product. It must not be your own. Now, I'm talking about this product. I don't only mean physical product. I don't only mean physical products. You can also get digital products. And for you to get digital products, it's very simple. If you don't have a digital product, I have my own digital products. Look at CapCut Pro, and the rest of them. If you don't have a digital product, you go to affiliate marketing platform like stakecut.com. I've made a video on this. Please, I will link it in the description bar. Get a product there. Run ads to sell it. That is why I said Facebook ads is the highest scale you can think of. All right. Now, these digital products, they pay you 50% commission. Some even pay 70% commission of what you don't have a hand in. It's not your own. You don't know anything about it. And they pay you this money. Let's say the product is selling at 20,000 naira. You use 3,000 naira to set up the ads, send people to the landing page of the product. Are you getting me? They are going to, I'll link the video there in the description bar. Just go and watch it. They are going to see the landing page and then buy. When they buy, you make 10,000. The owner takes 10,000 naira. Automatically comes into your account. Let me just open StakeCut so you see what I mean. So let's try to log into my own account and I will show you what I'm trying to say. I've made a comprehensive video on this. So let's just log in. All right. Please, if what I'm saying is making sense to you, please come to the comment section and say, Solo, you did make sense. Don't forget. This is total earning I have on this account, $535. I'm still a junior. Okay, I still have balance of $10 here. Now let's click on those three dots and then you come to marketplace where you're going to see the products. All right, so this is it. Beginners video editing. This one will pay you 70% commission. Look at it here. Pays you 70% commission. Something you don't know anything about. Look at it. So if in a week you just make 10 sales, that is 100,000 naira. So that is it. When we say these things, it sounds like rocket science, but it is not. It's actually very, very possible. Let's continue. So I set up my ads. I was selling it at 11,000 naira. Now, when they see the ads, they click. And when they click, it will bring them to my sales page. They will read everything about the product and place an order. When they place an order, it will bring them to my WhatsApp. All right, from my WhatsApp, we'll conclude the transaction and I will forward their location to the boss. Boss will now deliver. No consign me. Once they pay, boss will deliver and then send me my money. Now, some of them will say they want to pay on delivery. No wahala, boss will go and then show them the package. Provided I gave them exactly what they saw. Give me money, the dispatcher will take it, send me my own, and that is it. So that is how I did it. And I sold up to 100 pieces in 10 days. Let's say 10 days. I sold up to 100 pieces. And that 100 pieces was giving me like around 600,000. Let's say approximately 600,000 naira. And then that is how I did it. And just that last month, I made around 2.2 million naira with the same Facebook ads skill. I see a lot of people, they want to teach people how to run Facebook ads, sell courses and 1,000 naira, 2,000 naira, or run ads. This thing opened my eyes. All right. Now I've done my grandmother's burial. I am back. Now I'm looking for a new product to actually start selling. This is what I think. So this video doesn't get long. I've told you why you must make money as somebody who runs ads, be it Facebook ads, be it TikTok ads, be it any form of ads. Number two, I've told you how to make money with it. All right. I've told you how to make the big boys money with it, which is my story. Now, somebody would say, I don't know how to get a product. I've told you how you can get a product. You can go into the market. If you're at Lagos, go to Alaba International, negotiate with an importer or a seller, a wholesaler. They will give you access. The best you can do is to buy one of the gadgets. All right. What I'm planning to sell now is this solar rechargeable. Looks like stabilizer. That's what I'm planning to sell now. All right. Remember, the customers you make online are richer than the customers you make offline. And you know, the amazing thing here about running ads is that with just 4,000 naira, Facebook is going to show your product to at like 3,000 people. Please, you that is in the market, the person selling in the market, the 3,000 people see the products. No, the 3,000 people come to his shop in one day, but with Facebook ads from your home, you're showing your shop to up to 3,000 people spending only 4,000 or 5,000 naira. Tell me why you won't make a sale. You need to just know how to set it up and how to strategy to create your ads and so on. All right. So that is what I can say. So it can either be your product if you have a product, be it digital or physical, or you can look for a product, someone's product, sell and take your own share, or you can sell as an affiliate. All right. Real estate is affiliate. Look for a real estate company, sign up with them and start selling their lands. All right. That is how it actually made me 10 million naira in 1 month. So Facebook ads, social media ads is the ultimate. It's going to help you and you will never be broke in your life anymore. So this is what I think we should do. I have a free video on Facebook ads. It's going to be in the description bar. But if you want to learn my strategy, the complete tutorial that made me who I am, that taught me what I know, and the strategy you are going to be using, everything you need to know, then the bonus I'm going to give you on that is that I'm going to teach you how to set up seller account, which is not part of Facebook ads. All right. If you get this course, the paid course, I'm going to teach you how to set up the seller account because it is not part of Facebook ads. Now, how to set it up, I'll teach you personally for free. Now, I'm going to be giving you the course at 15,000 naira. It's going to be in the description bar. You can click on link there to get it. Please, I repeat, the free version is there. Then the description, you can watch the free one. And if it's not okay by you, you can as well come for the main thing. I'm going to give you that bonus. I'm going to also give you bonus of my content creation class. That is it. So this is Solomon Chis from Solo Communications. If you have not subscribed to this channel, I don't know what you're waiting for. Here we teach you realistic ways to make money online. No be church or no talking about real money. Learn a skill, monetize your skill, and you are good to go. Now, if this is the type of content you want, I don't know what you're waiting for to subscribe to this channel and smash the bell icon. If waiting I talk makes sense, even if you don't get anything to say, please come to the comment section and say, Solo, should they make sense? And I'll be grateful. Make sure you share this video. I sign out.